On the 11th hour of the 11th day of the 11th month, World War I ended in 1918. At 11 o'clock on a Monday, the guns fell silent. Every year, Remembrance Day brings us together to remind us of this moment. But it does more than that. On Remembrance Day, we remember the soldiers, the servicemen and women who have fought for peace, freedom, and justice. The men and women who paid the ultimate price and gave their lives so that we can all live together in peace. Peace, a word that is easy to say, but a state of mind, of existence that is fragile, that requires hard work, perseverance, and dedication to achieve and to maintain. We wear poppies, such as this one here, to show that we remember. We remember the sacrifice made, the sacrifices previous generations made, to show that we will not forget. Red poppy flowers grow in the fields of France and Belgium, over which some of the most terrible battles of World War I were fought. The area became known as Flanders Fields. A Canadian army doctor called John McCrae wrote a poem called In Flanders Fields after the funeral of a friend killed in battle in 1915. Let's listen to the late Canadian poet and artist Leonard Cohen recite the poem.